Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about how to troubleshoot variety of interface issues. Let's walk through couple of scenarios. So there are three scenarios I am going to explain in this video tutorial. So first one, duplex bar speed issues. Second one, port security issue. Third one, protocol mismatch. Okay, for duplex bar speed issue, I am using this scenario. I am using one switch and two PCs are connected. So PC8 I am using IP as 172.16.0.1 bar/24 and PC9 I am using IP as 172.16.0.2 bar 24. So switch is in the middle and two computers are connected, and each computer I will assign that IP address. So we will assume that computers are configured correctly and there are no issues there. So let's try to ping from PC8 to PC9. So from PC8 I am trying to ping PC9 IP. So ping 172.16.0.2. So I am not getting any reply. So I am getting a request timeout. So unfortunately our pings are not working. So what is the first thing we should check? So from that switch we have to check that interface. So from that switch, FA0 bar 1 interface is connected to the PC8 and FA0 bar 2 interface is connected to the PC9. So I am giving show interface FA0 bar 1. So here it will be clearly showing the port is down and protocol is down, and as well as off duplex. So if the port is down means definitely it indicates the layer 1 problem like broken cable or wrong cable, so crossover instead of straight through, or maybe a bad network interface card. So note that this interface is running in off duplex. So in case in your switch, if the CDP protocol is enabled by default, means you will get a log message duplex mismatch. So you can easily comes to know there is a duplex mismatch issue. So that's why the port went down. So we can rectify that issues. So gigabit ethernet and fast ethernet, it won't support off duplex. So let's change the duplex into auto mode. So from that switch, go to that particular interface FA0 bar 1. So the syntax for changing the duplex into auto is, so just give duplex as a keyword and space auto. So after giving this command, couple of seconds, the interface state changed to up. So here we can see you can change state to up, and protocol also up. Okay, that looks better. So now I am trying to ping from again PC8 to PC9. So ping 172.16.0.2. Still I am getting an request timeout. So this time the ping is not working. Now I am checking from FA0 bar 2 interface. So from the switch, FA0 bar 2 interface is connected to PC9. So I am checking that interface. So that port also down and line protocol also down. But duplex is full duplex. But speed is 10 megabits per second. So there is no issue with the duplex, but the issue with the speed. So if it's fast ethernet means definitely it's an 100 megabits, but here showing 10 megabits, so that's why the port went down. So I'm changing the speed into auto. So just go to that particular interface FA0 bar 2, then the syntax for changing the speed into auto is just give speed as a keyword space auto. So after a couple of seconds the port state changed to up. Here we can see. So it seems the speed mismatch caused that interface to go down. So change it to auto speed brings back the interface to the land of living. So from the switch, now I am giving show IP interface brief. Both FA0 bar 1 and FA0 bar 2, both interfaces are up and protocol also up. So now I am trying to ping from PC8 to PC9. I am getting a reply. So in this scenario, from the switch, FA0 bar 1 is connected to PC8. So that port in off duplex. So that's why the port went down. So once change the duplex into full, the port came up. And another interface is connected to PC9. That interface also down. After checking that interface, that speed is 10 megabits per second, but it's an fast ethernet. So fast ethernet means it should be an 100 mbps. So after changing the speed into auto, that interface also came up. So once both interfaces came up, now PC8 can able to ping from PC9. Okay, the next scenario is port security issue. So again I'm using same switch and two PC, so PC1 and PC2. So PC1 I am assigning IPS 172.16.0.1/16 and PC2 172.16.0.2/16. Okay, so from PC1 I am trying to ping PC2 172.16.0.2. I am not getting a reply, it's showing request timeout. Okay, so from that switch I am giving show IP interface brief. So FA0/1 interface is connected to PC1 and FA0/2 interface is connected to PC2. So FA0/1 is port and protocol, both of them are down, but FA0/2 is up. So there is no issue with FA0/2 interface, but FA0/1 interface is down. So we have to check that interface. So I am giving show interface FA0/1. So port is down and protocol is down. So you can see in bracket it's showing error disabled. So in a switch, if the port went to error disabled mode means, so one of the reason is port security. So we have to check that port security is configured on that interface or not. So using this show port-security, then you have to give interface, then you have to give the particular interface. It will clearly saying that port security is configured or not. So in that output you can see, so FA0/1 interface is configured for port security. So the port security is enabled and port status is secure and shutdown and violation mode is shutdown. So the maximum MAC address is 1. So port security configuration, and we can see that only one MAC address is allowed, the last MAC address seen on that interface. So this MAC address is PC1 MAC address. So PC1 trying to ping PC2, so the frame comes to the switch. So the PC1 MAC address is learned here is 89B1. So here port show port-security address, so 6BD5. So this MAC address is configured for port security. So here we can see that another MAC address has been configured for the port security. So this is the reason the port went to error disable mode. So we can fix this by changing the MAC address or disabling the port security. So I'm just disabling the port security from that interface. So just go to the particular interface and you can remove the port security. So the syntax for removing port security is no switch port space port-security. So this is the syntax for removing the port security for the particular interface. Now the interface is went to error disable mode. So you have to give shutdown and you have to give no shutdown to fix that problem. To get rid of the error disable status, we will shut and unshut that interface. So after giving shut and no shut, the interface state changed to up. Here we can see up. So now I am trying to ping from PC1 to PC2. I am able to ping. So here we can say I am getting a reply from PC1 to PC2. So this is another interface issues. So in port security there are 3 violation modes are there: shutdown, protected, restrict. So if it's shutdown means the port went down, so you can easily identify it. So in case if it's protected or restricted means the port should be up only. So if it's restricted means if you are connecting the switch through console means you will get some logs. So from that log you can easily identify it, but protected you are not getting any log. So you have to make sure whether the port security is configured or not. In that configuration itself you can verify it. This is also one type of troubleshooting method. So third scenario is protocol mismatch. So in this scenario I am using two routers, router R2 and router R3. I am using a serial cable. So router 2 I am assigning IPS 172.16.0.1 and router 3 I am assigning 172.16.0.2. So from router 2 I am trying to ping router 3. So ping 172.16.0.2, I am not getting a reply. So next I am checking the interface status on both the router. So from router 2 I am giving show IP interface brief pipe include 0/0/0. So the port state is up but protocol is down. So same I have to give it to router 3 also, show IP interface brief pipe include 0/0/0. So the port is up and protocol is down. So next the physical port is up, the protocol is down. So then the clock rate has been configured and the cable is working fine. So the protocol is down. So we have to check that interface status. Show interface serial 0/0/0. Here we can see protocol is down and encapsulation is HDLC from R2 router, and R3 router the encapsulation is PPP. So there is a mismatch between the WAN protocol from R2 and R3. So R2 by default HDLC is a WAN protocol, from R3 the WAN protocol is PPP. So either both ends should be in same protocol, then only the protocol will be an up, otherwise the protocol will be an down only. So from R2, from HDLC to PPP, I'm changing the WAN protocol. So the syntax for changing the WAN protocol is just go to the particular serial interface, then you have to give encapsulation, then we have to give what protocol you want. So encapsulation keyword and protocol PPP or HDLC. So from R2 router I'm changing the WAN protocol from HDLC into PPP, so that's why I'm giving encapsulation PPP. So after a couple of seconds the line protocol changed to up, states changed to up. Here we can see that log message. So now I am trying to ping from R2 to R3. I can able to reach R3 router. So now the problem is resolved. So most of the interface related issues can be solved by checking the interface, show interface, as well as compare that output from the both interface, so you can easily identify what is the issue. So I hope you can like this video. So if you have any queries, please ping me in the comment section, below comment section. I will reply to your query. So these are the three variety of interface issues. So speed or duplex issues, protocol mismatch issues, and port security issues. So thank you friends, thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.